Welcome. In this video I will show you how to create macros on your Logitech G316 X keyboard using G HUB. So having your keyboard connected to your PC, open the G HUB software, then open your keyboard menu like this. Then in order to create our first macro, we're gonna have to open the profiles list. So click right here, select manage profiles, and then select the environment where you want to use this macro. So if you want to add a macro for a game, you're gonna have to click add games and apps in the top right corner, and then select your games here, tap add. Now let's just pretend that I have CS2 here on the list, and CS2 is my desktop because I'm too lazy to download it right now and I don't have time for this. But I'm gonna be creating a macro for CS2. I'm just not gonna do it within the CS2 environment. Instead, I'm gonna be using desktop because it's pretty much all the same, except for this macro will be working within our desktop environment only. So in order to create a new macro, we're gonna have to click add macro next to macros list. Now we're gonna have to name this macro, and let's name this macro by AK47 and M4A1S. Okay, and press enter to create this macro. Now this macro will be a combination of 3 keys, B for 2, which in game will buy us the specific weapon. So we're gonna be using the no repeat mode, since we do not want to repeat this sequence. We don't want to toggle it, or we don't want to create any more complicated things with it. So using this sequence, we can actually do some more complicated things on our desktop, but we just want to press one button and then we want the macro to be triggered once. So click start now, and then what we want to do is record the keystrokes. So just click right here and select. Okay, so we pressed 3 keys. We can stop recording. So as you can see, press, release, press, release, press, and release. This is our combination. We can also make it simpler by not showing key down up moments. Then we can click save. Okay, and our macro is ready. Now how to add it to our keyboard? We have to go back to our keyboard. So go to your devices section, select your keyboard. Now you're gonna have to go into assignments on the sidebar, and now we're gonna have to select a button which we want to assign to be responsible for that macro. Let it be F2. Click remap. Now we don't want no modifier. Event type standard F2, standard F2. In assignment we actually want to select our macro. So let's select category macros and select the macro that we created. Tap confirm. Confirm once again. And now we have buying AK47 or M4A1 by pressing F2 key. And that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.